Once you want less, you will have more. Why is this so true? This is a psychological state of mind. There's a tendency of us believing that we should have more. There are those who go to an extent of doubling certain things, undermining the ideology of minimalism and practicing the ideology of extremism. The extremists are those who always want more, while the minimalists are those who want less. They use exactly what is necessary and optimum for a specific period of time. For example, there are those who choose to have 2 smartphones, 2 mini tablets, and 2 tablets, 2 laptops. But all of them doing the same thing just because they want to show off. There are those who want to have many cars. Now this one means that the number of cars will never be enough for you, because tomorrow you will hear that Porsche has released a new version, Volkswagen has also released a new version, and also Tesla is having a new model in the market. You will keep dying for more. Even 10 will not be enough, even 20 will not be enough, because you will keep adding and selling the ones you think are already outdated. The hand is, you will have less. It's like money. Money is number. And number don't end, meaning it is infinite. The count of number is infinite. So if your search for happiness depends on money, then your search for happiness will never end. That means you will never find happiness in life, because you will look for infinite until death comes across. You will still be comparing yourself that, oh, this friend of mine is not a billionaire, and for me I'm still a millionaire. Oh, I see this competitor of my company, they are already progressing. They have this amount of money. In the hand, you feel like you have less. Yet some people see you like you have everything. So it's a psychological state of mind. If you want more, you have less. If you want less, you have more. Therefore, we need to practice minimalism, because minimalism is the one that will help us